Hey YouTube, it's Sean, and I'm back with a little tip. Just a tip. Um, Everybody that builds stuff with metal needs to buy grinding wheels and cutoff wheels for our, you know, angle grinders and such. So why not repurpose a CD holder, right? Buy these things in bulk, they're cheaper. And there you go, and it keeps them organized. All you had to do is pull one off, bolt it on. Pretty simple. And you can set that anywhere. I have one for grinding wheels and one for cutoff wheels. The rest of my shop sucks. It's not all organized at all, but there you go. Just a tip. Little CD holder. Get those when you buy CDs. And now you can keep your cutoff wheels right on the spindle. Grab one when you need it. And that way they don't get all flying all over everywhere. There you go, guys. It's a way to hold your wheels. Alright. Check you later, guys. Just a tip. Thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.